good day to you, this day of your time. How are you all? All right, thank you. Thank you once again for the co-creation of these interactions and the allowance of this transmission in this way at this time. We would like to begin this transmission by reminding you that it is titled Nature's Social Network. The idea being that there are a variety of ways that different elements, different expressions in nature communicate with one another, because you are all immersed in a web of energy and information. But there are very specific ways in which these connections in the energy web are expressed depending upon the expression of nature. First, we remind you that you do not exist in nature, you are nature. Your bodies are an expression of the nature of the reality that you have chosen to experience. We know that for some time, many individuals within humanity have, in the past, thought of themselves as being separate from nature, maybe living in it, maybe being surrounded by it, but not necessarily considering themselves to be of it. But you are. But now you're beginning to understand that extraterrestrial contact is really extra-dimensional contact as well. It's extra consciousness contact. It happens on multiple levels of dimensionality, not just the physical surface.
That's really exciting. That's just great that the universe works this way. It is
very multi-layered, and you can sample as many slices of it as you wish.